Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Style Student. Today we are going to discuss about rocket root 8 on number line on spiral method. Okay friends, please subscribe our channel for further more videos and please press the bell icon. Okay friends, today we are going to discuss about locate root 8 on number line spiral method. Root 8. Look at this picture. This is a base and this is a perpendicular. And this is a hypotenuse. In spiral method, we want to locate on number line system means we know base and perpendicular. We don't know hypotenuse. That's why only we use this theorem, Pythagoras theory. Which theory? Pythagoras theory. Pythagoras theory is equal to AC square. Pythagoras theory is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC. Here this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, here okay friends, here AC square is equal to 8. Our question is root 8. AC square is equal to root 8. Expand. AC square is equal to 4 plus 4. Root 4 plus 4. AC square is equal to root 2 square plus 2 square. AB. Now this is AB. Perpendicular. AB. AB is equal to 2. Next BC. This is BC. Here BC. Base. Base is equal to 2. Base is equal to 2 and perpendicular is equal to 2. We want to find out the hypotenuse. Now let's go to number line. Okay friends, here AB is equal to 2 and BC is equal to 2. Now here this is 2. Okay, we want to take 2 point. Okay, next I am taking exact 3 line. Wait friends. Right. Okay. To 0. Okay. Now here one arc and here one arc. Okay, do you understand friends? Next, in exact middle, wait friends, in exact middle we want to take one line. Okay friends, next AB is equal to 2 but BC is equal to also 2. Okay, then once see friends, here exact 1. Once exact you want to take this one 1 and 2. Okay, next friends, now you want to take exact this one and this one to know exact. Afterwards we want to take like this. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay friends, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, then we want to take exact 2 to 0, one line, 2 line to 0 point. Here 0 point to 2. Okay, we want to give one line. Okay friends, we want to give one line. To give one arc, you want to give one arc from 3 to second point. The second point to this one from 3. Okay friends, now you have one doubt. We do this one work. Where is the root 8? Okay, this is the root 8. This is the root 8. This is the root 8. Okay. Okay, friends. In this one, wait. This is the 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Okay. That's only we want to take like this. This is called Pythagoras theory. Okay, friends. Friends, you have one doubt. Where is A, B, C? I will show. This is base. Okay. This is here, see. This is parallelogram. This is hypotenuse. Okay, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. That is base. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Okay, then we find out the hypotenuse. This is the root 8 or hypotenuse. Okay, we find out the root 8. Okay, friends.